Step 1. Device activation. Use SADP Tool or IVMS 4200 to activate inactive devices by assigning a secure password. Step 2. IP assignment. Assign the planned static IP, subnet mask, and gateway to each device. Step 3. Add devices to IVMS. Add both the outdoor and indoor stations to the device management module using their credentials. Step 4. Time sync. Access the settings for both devices and sync the date and time. They must match. Step 5. Indoor station configuration. Navigate to Network, Group Network Settings. In the Main Door Station IP field, enter the IP address of your outdoor station. Enter the registration password, the activation password of the outdoor station. Step 6. Outdoor station configuration. Go to the Device Management section. Check if the indoor station appears automatically in the list. Manual. Add. If it's not listed, add it manually by entering its IP, mask, gateway, password, and serial number. Step 7. System reboot. Restart both devices to apply all configuration changes. Step 8. Status verification. Go back to the outdoor station settings under Device Management. The indoor station must now show as online.